In this video, we are going to cover the fundamentals of electrical schematics. The first electrical devices and symbols we will cover are switches. Switches are defined as an electrical device that makes or breaks current flow through an electrical circuit. A load is defined as an electrical device that changes electrical energy to another form of energy. For example, a motor would be a load. It takes electrical energy and transforms that energy into mechanical energy. There must always be a load placed in the circuit, and there's typically at least one switch, but many times there's more placed within the circuit in series. This simple circuit between L1 and L2 is showing you how switches on the left and loads on the right are connected to make a complete path for the current to flow. L1 is 24 volts AC. L2 is the common or neutral. From L1 through the switch to the load, completing the path to ground is a complete electrical circuit. If we follow the path of current from L1 through the switch of a coil on a relay device, when the coil is energized, it will change the state of the normally open contacts associated with it. When the contacts change the state, it will allow the current to continue its path through till neutral. Thinking back on the rules we discussed earlier, will this circuit work the way it was designed to? This electrical circuit is similar to the previous one. If we follow the path of the current, it travels from L1 through a switch, continues on to the R1 relay, energizing the R1 coil. When the R1 coil is energized, it will change the state of the R1 normally open contacts. As long as the pressure does not rise and the switch remains closed, current will continue to the indicator light and then continue to L2. With this schematic, would you expect to see a voltage drop? Let's take another look at this simple circuit. As we build up confidence in our schematic reading abilities, we will start being able to decipher specific details in the sequence of operation for the equipment we are working with. If we follow the flow of the current in this example, starting with L1, the sequence will verify the switch is closed, current will flow to the R1 coil, allowing a change in state of the R1 normally open contact. Current will flow from L1 to the 2-position flow switch. If flow is not established, the current will continue its path to the lower green indicator light. In this same circuit, As we follow the current all the way through to the two-position flow switch, we will see in this scenario that the flow is established and allows the current to flow in a different direction. In this scenario, the red indicator light will illuminate. The last thing we will cover is the dual voltage schematic. In essence, it is a standard in the HVAC industry. This schematic depicts two separate voltages, 240 volts AC and 24 volts AC, separated by a step-down transformer. The low voltage section is the control voltage, whereas the high voltage section is called the line voltage.